that quick. I might have kept it for myself. No.
Mm-hmm. You almost got it? Alright, yeah, one down, one more to go. Why should we wait? He said.
Get your video out, man. Might be a dead body.
Yeah. Might be
nothing.
Might be chopped up fucking some shit.
Cut that other side off.
Oh, God,
or here, let me see if I can twist it. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, this thing. Yeah, like a mystery in history. It weighs like 200 pounds, whatever is fucking in there. Mm-hmm. Storage locker.
Oh, really? Oh, we got some hooks.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Yeah. What else we find in there?
Brand new.
Yeah, brand new. Man, them are
super sockets.
Yeah, whatever the hell is it?
I can't believe how heavy duty this pocket though.
Mm-hmm.
Big old breaker bar.
Yeah, breaker bar. Snap on or. Yeah, I think that's snap on. I think.
Keep going back too.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
And that looks kind of like that.
Yeah, it looks like a snap on.
Plastic strips.
Mm-hmm.
There's more back there. I can't see.
Oh, there's more in there. Mm.
Got the chain loose over there.
All kinds of shit. All kinds of fucking hold up in the fixture there.
Hold on. Get that up here. Fork wrench.
Yeah, fork wrench.
That don't want to come out.
That's about it.
Feel
like it. Alright, mystery box number one.
Mm-hmm.
Time for number two.
Number two.
$1 million this.
Yeah, $1 million, yep.
Just for the fun of it, huh?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you never know. The excitement, like fucking, where's Harrod over there when we need him?
Cut it up a little further. Not that far, but.
These things are one hell of a fucking locks, ain't they? what's behind door number fucking 2?
Oh,
fucking chains. Eh?
The chain gang.
Yeah, the chain gang. That's what
Looks like nothing but a chain. This one.
Oh shit.
Oh,
shit. Yeah.
I bet there's a chain in here.
I bet there's a chain in there. Oh shit. Yep, nothing else. They
Somebody
fucking
put that chain there to wait and think how much fucking a scam that is if you're in a storage locker at auctions. Let's get a box on there, put some weight in there, put some badass chain locks on there, or a padlocks on there. Somebody's like, well, I'm gonna bid high on that. What's in there?
Yeah, what the hell's in
Locks
there?
are probably $25 a piece right there.